This is a review of the professional butane torch from Gas Torch GF-905. It's quite large, this torch. I use my measuring tape here. You can see even the top of it is it's at nearly 5 inches across here. I've put a little bit of butane in it already. The flame is pretty long. It can be adjusted with this lever here from low to high. There's a hold in place button. If I press it and release my finger from the trigger, the gas continues to burn without me having to do anything. I can put it in place here without touching it, and it keeps on burning. I press the button again, the trigger, to turn it off. Not sure what this button does. It's not mentioned anywhere in the instructions. The torch comes with a couple of adapters here. Some adapters for using with a butane cartridge. And this I think is a bleed stick designed to evacuate the air. Butane's heavier than air, so the air is going to go to the top. I think the idea is that the air can be evacuated out before refilling. Filling is reasonably easy. I've got a butane gas filler here. Just pop it in till it fills up. Blow the gas away. Bit cold, but at the top it's reasonably warm enough because I didn't put too much in. Well, burns pretty well. Overall, I'm happy with this. It's pretty big, mostly metal. I think it feels like metal, although it might be plastic, but it feels solid, and I like that it can stand up. Great product.